गोंडल पैलेस अपने आप में किसी टूरिस्ट साइट से कम नहीं है। अपनी हेरिटेज, अपनी हिस्ट्री को इस कदर प्रिजर्व करके रखा है कि विश्वास नहीं होता।
कौन कहता है कि बीता हुआ समय वापस नहीं आ सकता? आप इस महल और उसकी प्रिजर्व चीजों को देखें तो इट इज लाइक वॉकिंग बैक इन टाइम and reliving an era that was like no other.
जैसे कि गोंडल गोंदाली रिवर के बैंक्स में बसता है, यहाँ का रेलवे स्टेशन एक्चुअली लाइज ऑन द ब्रांच लाइन बिटवीन राजकोट एंड जेटलासर. So a memento to that is actually recreated in the palace premises.
Vintage kitchen, ना?
What a contrast, ना महाराजा से यहाँ पर.
I know.
Charcoal fired.
Actually, the whole chimney and the coal fired oven, and the fact the whole heat going in from this side.
Wow.
And the
oven griller type. Roasting के लिए.
Yeah, I've never seen one of these.
Yes. और ये दो छोटे कांच हैं. I think वो coal का dust.
Yeah, that's for ash and coal dust. क्लब वालाज, अरे हिंदुस्तानी है भाई ये. क्लब वालाज, हाँ?
या कप भी बड़ा प्यारा है ना. गोंडाल का. और ये पैन का शेप बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. मतलब क्या स्टेक बना के सॉस साथ में गिराने के लिए है या आई डोंट नो क्या मतलब शेप है ये. पहली बार ऐसा शेप का पैन देखा मैंने.
Beats me. वो essentially means egg.
Yeah.
But
4 अंडे अलग अलग बनाने के लिए शायद. सनी साइड आप अलग अलग. Isn't it?
Beats me. मतलब ये सारी इजादें जो है उतनी पहले हो चुकी थी.
Yes.
वाह.
भाई हिंदुस्तान में रोज रोज कहने को नहीं मिलता कि ट्रेन टाइम पे है, पर इस ट्रेन ने बिल्कुल सही टाइम पे पहुंचा दिया महारानी साहिबा से मिलने के लिए. तो करते हैं उनसे बातचीत और जानते हैं उनसे उनकी फेवरेट रीगल रेसिपी.
तो तेल में हमने जीरा डाल दिया रानी साहिबा, मिर्ची डाल दी राइट,
एंड बे लीफ. बे लीफ को तेज पत्ता.
यस. और यहाँ पर इन्होंने अपने शेफ को इंस्ट्रक्ट किया कि टमाटर के फोर्क से छोटे छोटे छेद बना. Can I pass you?
So what is the dish called?
It's called Gondal chicken.
Gondal chicken. So here go the tomatoes, pricked.
बस ये हो गया.
Yes.
Now little bit of haldi.
Yes.
Very little, huh?
थोड़ी सी हल्दी.
That's all. Now ये. बस. बस. Now we cover it.
How many whistles?
3.
3 whistles.
This is very simple.
Yes.
And it's a very tasty dish.
Looks like also.
And you have to have this with rice with peas.
All right.
And it goes very well with the gravy.
Matar pulao, you mean?
Yes, matar pulao.
Wow, very nice.
It seems to be very interesting because the tomatoes, when they cook, they're going to turn slightly sweeter.
Very
so it's going
pulpy,
to be
yes.
pulpy,
Yeah.
slightly sweet and sour with the freshness of coriander.
Coriander is very nice in this.
Yeah. I think coriander is the real star in the dish.
Yeah, it will balance out the sweetness of the tomato also.
So what's happened is it's a perfect layer of tomatoes at the bottom, coriander, then chicken. We're going to cook into that perfect pressure
And
cooked
no
casserole.
water at all.
And no water. Just the water from the tomatoes.
Yes.
And the moisture of the chicken.
And the moisture of the chicken.
Yes. So right now the tomatoes, they will cook and the moisture of the chicken flows down and everything mixes together. That's how the taste develops.
It'll be very nice.
Yes.
I'm going to
Should
show
be.
you.
Should be, yes.
It will be, I can imagine. 1, 2,
It's almost ready.
Yes.
And you bring it to the table and we'll all join together and eat it there.
Awesome.
Surely.
And taste it. all right?
Surely. See you, ma'am.
Thank you.
महारानी साहिबा का डाइनिंग रूम वाकई एक रॉयल ट्रीट है और ट्रीट्स में उनका रीगल खाना मतलब सोने पे सुहागा.
I'll start with the rice and then top it up with the
chicken gravy.
chicken.
The chicken, right from the time it went to the pressure cooker, it's just been, we've been holding on to our horses.
And while I'm taking the chicken, there comes a question that why is it called the chicken Gondal?
That's because I invented.
Wow. And when was this and how did this...
I just thought about it.
Yes.
Let's do it this way. And it turned out well.
You know, there's this question that I always ask everybody who's the, who manages the home, is what inspired you to cook? Was it the mom or was it the mom-in-law?
No, I lost my mother-in-law when she was my husband was very young. But my mother was a very good cook.
Yes.
Very good.
So what about her recipes? Are they being compiled somewhere?
Well, I'm trying to compile and put it out in the market, the book.
Really? Wow.
Any names for the book yet?
Not as yet, because this one is helping me, Amrita Gandhi.
Okay.
She's doing it for me. How did you like the chicken?
Excellent. Before I saw this dish, there's a Pathare Prabhu dish from Mumbai, which uses 9 odd ingredients. And I thought that was the simplest dish that I've seen. Now this takes the cake. And the beauty of the taste, like I said, is the robustness.
And the best part is that the tomato holds its character so nicely.
Yes.
That's what the tomato makes the dish look beautiful. And the tari flowing is also so nice.
Considering the fact that we added no water to it, if you were to tell somebody this is chicken cooked without water and you look at the gravy, you're like, okay.
Are you sure? Kinds.
गोंडल में पहला दिन अगर एक शब्द में कहूं तो लाजवाब.
Classy cars, the grand palace, and the food, both local and royal. Amazing. And it's only going to get better.